What's going on, everybody? So we're back today again, working on the Sierra, trying to get that turbo mounted up. So I got the passenger side manifold off. Would you stop it? As you can see, I'm probably in another, it's a new day here. I'll just leave it at that. Yesterday did not go too well trying to get that side off, but fresh start today and we got it done. So I got Roxy out here helping me again today. I got the bed off yesterday, as you can see here. I'm making the intro now to the video I made yesterday, so that's why it might be a little messed up a little bit, but I'm doing what I can, you know what I mean? So now we're gonna work on getting this side done, and I'm not too thrilled about it, but see how it goes. Once I get this side off, we're almost ready to mount that turbo. So let's get into it. All right, got a new tool to get the exhaust manifolds off. I just cut it open. Let's see what it looks like. Or induction bolt heaters. I just did a bunch of work to this thing before getting the bed on it. All new cross members, leaf spring hangers, new shocks, all new hardware. I did all new brake lines, gas tank straps, painted the whole rear section of the frame. Replaced all this bottom piece of the frame. That's all new metal all the way to back there on both sides. That was before I started to do this project. So I put the bed on thinking I was pretty much done. Then I was like, you know what? I put a turbo on this thing. Let's make this thing a turbo truck. Is actually going way better than I thought it would, so that's sweet. I'm gonna put you down here and keep going. Break time. Ready? Get it right. Oh. right, everybody. Got this side out. Also got the other side out. Got the whole exhaust system off. I'm gonna take this stupid thing off and have the exhaust come out right here. Right out the turbo. So, I think that's gonna do it for today. I just want to say thank you for everybody watching and subscribing. I appreciate it. I didn't think it was even gonna work out as good as it already has, so I'm very happy. Stay tuned, because this thing's gonna be sick. It's gonna be a good time. Hoping to get this thing out there and start ripping some donuts. Should be sweet. So yeah, thank you everybody. Follow along. We're gonna keep killing it. She's stuck.